भैया 1 चिप्स पैकेट कितना है?
10 रुपये।
1 प्लेट मसाला डोसा के लिए।
प्लेन डोसा।
Finally here at the Ramagundam railway station. So trip is officially going to start at 7 PM of the day, but now I have to go to Warangal, right? As I said in the last video, Warangal is the main meeting point. So from here I am going to Warangal. So now I am on the second platform of Ramagundam railway station, and I forgot to give the intro today. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Hope everyone is doing great. So officially our trip is going to start from Warangal. So it is today 7 PM. We have train there. So from there we will be moving to Vijayawada, and in Vijayawada at night 1:30. So we are having one more train. So we have to take that train, and from there we are moving to Pondicherry. So as I said in the previous video, total we are going 6 of us. So in that, one will be my cousin and 4 of my friends from NIT itself. So my cousin is coming from Mancherial. So from Mancherial to here 15 minutes of journey in the train. So once he get into the train there, he will inform me. So then I will be getting ready. So after going to Warangal, there are many things which we have to do. Like we have to go to DMart, and we have to go to Max, and we have to have our lunch. So these are all the things left there. So that's why we are going early. So now the time is 10:35. Train scheduled time is 10:50. So let's see. And forgot to tell you, today morning there was a little bit confusion. Little bit nice, it's big confusion also. So what happened is, this particular train which scheduled to be at 10:50. What happened is, in the morning when I woke up, I have seen it 1 hour late. So after my fresh up, it is shown 1.5 hour late. So in that 1.5 hour, so within next 1 hour he has covered that 1 hour distance and previous 1.5 hour distance. I thought that, oh, let me have my breakfast at the home and then come to railway station, which is around 2 hours or 1.5 hour to 2 hours journey from my home. Okay, so according to that I planned, but after some time when I opened the where is my train app and didn't check the status of the train, so he has covered that 1 hour distance plus the old 1.5 hour delay also, and the train is on time. Then see, me and my cousin were like in a hurry, so I already freshed up. So they then packed my luggage, and then directly I didn't have my breakfast there, so I came directly to the station. So after coming here outside the railway station, I had my breakfast. So I am waiting for the train now. So once the train comes, I will be getting into it, and we will move to Warangal. And journey from here, it will be like 1 hour. That's it, not more than that. So just got a call from my cousin. So they have displayed the coaches also. So as I said, so Yashwant Roy. So if you have seen him, like I kept a detailed blog of our campus tour, right? So he is the one, that Yashwant Roy, and one is Karthik. He is coming from Hyderabad. So we will meet him in today's night train from Warangal to Vijayawada. Then Sai Prabhat. So he will be joining tomorrow morning. So the same train which we will take from Vijayawada to Pondicherry. And then coming to Satvik. So Satvik is like is directly coming to from Tirupati to Pondicherry. So he has a bus facility from there. So 3 hours of journey for him. So he is directly coming from there. So we are total of 6 of us. So we booked everything there. So let's see what this Pondicherry, what all this trip going to offer us. So I came near D1. This is S1 and that is D1. So the one which you are seeing the next display, right? So there is D1. Just got a call from my cousin. So train has started from Mancherial. So just now, and also got the announcement here. So previously they said that the train may come to second platform, but you can see here, right? One goods train is already there on that track. So they just now announced that the train will come on 3rd number platform. So no problem, here it is. You know what, a few days back, so I was talking with my sister Rishika. Said that I am missing the train journey, so soon I have to do a train journey some or the other way. So let's see when I am going to get the chance once again for a train journey. So it is almost 1.5 years to 2 years ago when I did the train journey. So unexpectedly this plan has come up for this trip. Yes, I can hear the horn of the train, so I think it may reach any time. So let me get ready. So, all set. Chalo, come. I think here it may halt for 1 minute or 2 minutes. That's it, not more than that. So that is the train. Ernakulam 02645 D156 is my berth. So already Gautam is inside the train. So I am not going to cross the line. So I am here standing even more than 3 to 4 feet away from that line. He is Gautam. Hi Jep.
Hi bro.
So actually our reservation is still Warangal, but this is Kazipet E-cabin or F-cabin, something, no problem. So that side the Kazipet station will be there. So it don't have proper signal. So it stopped here for a few seconds. So we get down here because because if we get down in Warangal, no, so from Warangal we have to come to again Kazipet. So that will be a lot of big issue and big problem again. So that's why we got down here. So now we will go from here, and first of all, main important thing is we have to have our lunch. This fellow is vegetarian actually. Here at Lassi shop, so to have some like milkshake or something like that. So completed all my works in outside the Warangal. So now again back into the campus. So we have our train from Warangal to Vijayawada at 7 PM. So till 7 PM. So till 7 PM there are no other works. So we'll take some rest here and charge our phones, and then directly going to station. So there is one more plan. Some Yashwant is saying that he want to buy some things from DMart. So let us see if that going to happen or not. So at 7 o'clock we have train from Warangal, and Karthik have train at 5 o'clock in Secunderabad. So all these things I have already shown to you in my detailed vlog of the campus tour. So just now got freshed up myself, and so the plan is to go to DMart and buy some things. So after going there, we'll buy that things, and then we'll go to railway station. Already Karthik has get into the train, and the train may start from there at any time. So once the train starts from there, so he will inform us. So based on that, we have to plan and go to the railway station and be ready there. Finally came out of the campus. I hope you have enjoyed this time lapse. Now we are going to DMart. So here is the NIT Warangal. So now we are taking auto from here. We are going to DMart. So here is Yashwant. He also joined us now. So now we are at the DMart. So I am going inside. So finally here at the Kazipet station. So just now came out of the DMart, and what happened is like there was some issue with the DMart staff. They don't know why they interrupted me in between vlogging, and they said you should not take any videos or photos here. So even though I am doing their promotion freely, but they are not accepting it. So now we are here at the Kazipet station. So train may come to the platform by in another 20 to 30 minutes. So we are here at the platform number 1. So usually according to them, so the train may come on the first platform. So fingers crossed. Hope I pray that it should come on first platform. Otherwise, if they shift to second or third platform, no, then we should become Usain Bolt now. We have to cross that overbridge, and we have to go till the end of the station, because our coach position is at the end. So just changed our pants and got into shorts now, because as it's a night journey, so we feel comfortable in shorts rather than in points, right? So just now did that. I'm unable to show that now. So another now the present time is 19:08 means 7:08. So train may reach in another 10 minutes. So we are here at D2 coach. So this train is still Vijayawada. According to the schedule, it should reach Vijayawada by 10:30. So let's see when we are going to reach there. So the next train from Vijayawada to Pondicherry is from 1:30. So hope we have to catch the train. Mostly we'll catch the train, but don't know how our fate is written, right? So he's Karthik. Hi bro, Karthik. Hi. चलो ट्रेन को हम Hi Karthik. Just now got down in the Vijayawada Junction railway station. So till now everything is going good. So now we have train at 1:30 PM here from Vijayawada to Pondicherry. So now what's the plan for now? We have 3 hours left. Okay.
అనుకున్నాను రా
भैया ये बैग कितना यशवंत भैया ये बैग कितना
ये 50,000 है
So time now is 11:07 PM. Hey bros, बैग भैया Live from Vijayawada Junction. So I think this is one of the best station which I have ever visited. Actually, outside the railway station we can't find any like food courts type of things. So that is the reason we are here at the Vijayawada bus stand. So which is India's biggest bus stand,
Hey, Asia's biggest bus.
which is Asia's biggest bus stand. Just now completed our breakfast type of dinner. Now it's a time for
Thumbs up.
Arey thumbs up not right. Thumbs up.
It's thumbs up.
Taste the thunder.
Oh wow.
So just now a small photo session has happened here. So if you want to see that pics, so I will upload that in my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram handle, so you can follow me there and check all those pictures. So each and every update regarding not only about this trip, future updates will be there on the Instagram. So do follow there. So just got the announcement. It is platform number 5. So we were in the platform number 1. So the train is we thought the train may come late, but it is coming before the time itself. So this is the train. So here is our coach. Here this side engine. So this is really helpful here. So time is 1:02 PM. So the train is here. Actual the scheduled time is 1:25. So it is 23 minutes early. So this is the train. So just got into the train here at Vijayawada. So now the time is 1:08. I think it will move according to the time now. So I think we have to wait till 1:30. 1:30.
1:30.
So tomorrow morning 12 o'clock we will get down at Pondicherry. भैया 1 चिप्स पैकेट कितना है?
10 रुपये.
10 रुपये.
10 रुपये दे तू फर्स्ट.
एक चिप्स पैकेट
50 रुपये.
So here is the Madras High Court. Time is 8:15 AM here at the Chennai Egmore railway station. In the night I think I have slept for almost 2 to 3 hours, that's it, not more than that. So we already got up and freshed up ourselves. So the train is halting here for I think another 10 more minutes I guess. So Gautam, this fellow is the main culprit, you know. He slept for nearly 4 to 5 hours, more than everyone in the group.
As compared to these fellows, I have slept more than because I have to maintain my beauty.
Oh, so just now we got the announcement that train may start at any time now. So waiting for the signal. So he's Prabhat. Hi guys. भैया एक प्लेट मसाला डोसा. अरे टिफिन बॉक्स टिफिन भैया.
बॉक्स नहीं रे.
विजयवाड़ा में बैग भैया.
वाव प्रभात, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू प्रभात. तमिलनाडु डोसा. प्रवत
ये देखो देखो
ये छोटा डोसा वो बड़ा आदमी के लिए So yeah, finally we are here at Pondicherry and now we have to go to hotel. So after going to hotel I will close the vlog. Finally we are at the hotel. So room allocation process going on. So we have to check into the room and then have a good shower and then a power nap. Then we have to go and chill. Wow. So this is the room. Yeah. So one more room beside one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So finally we are here at Pondicherry. So we just checked into our rooms. So we got 2 rooms, each room 3 members, and it is costed around 1,000 per room. So that trick regarding OYO I will discuss in the next video. So coming to room tour. So here is one cupboard with mirror, dressing mirror. Okay. So inside this you can see, right?
Bro, AC.
And here so 2 beds. And as I said, we have 3 people, right? So if possible, like if needed, they will also give us one more mattress and one TV. So I think this room doesn't have table. In our room, there is one more table. That is one small table, bro. One sitting table, working table, and with AC.
That's right.
AC. So hi guys.
At last we have here
We have one more
Pondicherry.
Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the end of this video, and see you in the next vlog. So don't forget to
Subscribe.
and don't forget to hit the like button. Okay. So bye bye.
Bye. अरे मत बोलो
पक्का करता दाल ఏమన్నా చూడు సో they also gave this I think a moisturizer and Ayurvedic soaps.